Gavin. You banging your head?
No.
Yeah, you are.
Wait, I'm staying on my blankie.
Yeah, but you're banging your head. Does it hurt? Does it hurt?
These palm things are in my bed.
The what?
They're my brown things in my bed.
Your brain?
My brown things.
What is that?
Like lay on my blankie.
Oh,
It's gross.
okay. Want to get up? To your brothers? Jake and Dylan?
What do you buy some?
Huh?
What do you buy?
Nothing.
Where's Janet?
Janet's not here today.
Where's Daddy?
He's home.
Look down. Look
Okay.
it down.
All right.